Hi
everyone!
and welcome to episode number 17. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to learn how to make an image projection. So come along and make an image projection with us. How to make an image projection. Here are the materials you need. You need clear tape, sharpies, cups, scissors, and a flashlight. Next, you're going to want to decide what you want to project. Ryder and I decided that we wanted to do Pac-Man. Start by cutting the bottom of the cup. You're going to want to cut all the bottoms of all the cups that you're going to use. Next, put the clear packing tape on the bottom. You're going to want to do this to all the cups that you're going to use. Now you're going to decide what you're going to put on top of your cups. So Ryder and I decided to put Mr. Pac-Man, Mrs. Pac-Man, some ghosts, and some fruits. With the Sharpie, you're going to color your design on top of the tape. Make sure you color it nice and dark because then it's going to come out really nice. After doing all your designs, you're ready to go. You need your flashlight and you need it to be dark. When it gets dark, shine your flashlight through the cup and your image will project on the wall. Okay, we hope you had a good time making the image projection. See you next time. Bye.
Bye!